Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And you know, Grummans are hot right now. Tigers, cheetahs, everything. And you'd love to find one in your color, but the reality of it is, today you're buying an airplane just because it's on the market. Well, and they're asking over market value for these airplanes. So I think you're going to have some fun with this topic today because we've got a Cheetah. It is going to be below market value and it's cheap and it's going to go fast. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today, in today's market, it's hard to find an airplane. Now, here we have a Cheetah. It's been hangared for the last 10 years. It's not a perfect airplane, but there's a lot of new features for it. Like there's some new glass that could go in the airplane. Now, there are going to be some things you're going to need to find. It is going to need an engine, but those are easy to come by, and it will need a propeller. But the basic airframe will come with an airframe log, and you can redo your panel, you can do the interior, you can redo your glass. We have a bunch of canopies and color you can pick from. So take a good look, ladies and gentlemen, and it would not be hard to transport this. I'm sure we could get Jimmy to help do that. But again, with the marketplace being what it is today, you could take this airplane and you could fix it up, and you're going to have a nice VFR airplane just to fly around the patch in. You're not going to be going out to try to win any shows. So that's what we have to say about that. Now, there's one more thing we need to tell you about this, and I think you're going to really find this part the interesting part. You know, today is April Fool's Day, and we are just joking about that fuselage. But the reality of it, again, in today's marketplace, a fuselage like that with a few extra bits, we've got the wings and all for it, it could be put back together and it could be made a flying airplane, and it could be a valuable airplane. So it all depends on what you start with and what your level of craftsmanship is. So we're going to let you finish looking at the rest of the video of the Cheetah. But again, ladies and gentlemen, again, in today's marketplace, it has gone crazy helping people find airplanes. You know, it used to be a time that you'd say, well, I'm going to send you some earnest money and I'm going to go ahead and do a pre-purchase, and then if everything passes muster, I will negotiate the price with you and I'll take it. But there are people today that are selling pretty much original, like a Traveler the other day sold for $80,000. By the time the guy negotiated and figured out what he wanted to pay for it, it was already gone. So it's a crazy market we're out there today, ladies and gentlemen. But you know, you never know what you start with is really going to help out what you end up with. So it all depends on your level of what you want to do. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for having some fun with us on this April 1st day. Didn't know what else to do for you. We hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Apologize for the lighting because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.